Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please go ahead, click on subscribe, and also click on the bell to receive all the updates and activities on my channel. So today we have a product review of some LED lighting made by a company called LASFIT. LASFIT reached out to me and says, hey, we want you to review some of our products. So in turn, for this review, they supplied me with some of their LED light bulbs free of charge. They are not paying me for this review, but they did supply some product free of charge. So at the end of this video, if you like what you saw, go ahead and click on the description. There will be a link that will bring you out to the seller storefront in Amazon, and you can purchase these light bulbs for yourself. So with that being said, let's go ahead and review the product, get it installed, and see how they are. All right, so the bulbs that we're going to be using are the 7440s. They use a standard receptacle, and if you look, they have the LEDs wrapped all the way around them. There's two different colors. I don't know what's the significance of those, but there are two different color LEDs on the bulbs. So with that being said, why don't we go ahead and walk over to the car, pop out the taillight, and insert these and get a comparison between the stock bulbs and these. To remove the taillight assembly, there's two steps that you need to do. Open up the trunk and pop these access covers open. You're going to see two Phillips head screws. Go ahead and take those out. This is step one. The second step to remove the taillight assembly is you have to pop it out, and the assembly is held on pretty tightly to the body by 3 friction pins, or whatever you want to call them. And the way to get this out without doing any damage to the car is you're going to take a piece of string, you're going to feed it through the corner of the taillight assembly, and then you're just going to pull it out. Right? It's simple as that. And then we're going to take the new one, we're just going to pop it right in. It slides in just like the old one came out. We're going to insert it in the same way we took it out. And then we're going to rotate it clockwise, and then you're done. Okay, after about 5 minutes, they are fully installed, and I have the hazards running just to show you as a comparison. The camera may not be pulling it up that well as far as the brightness, but they are very bright. So if you like these light bulbs, go ahead and check out the description in this video. There will be a link to the seller storefront out on Amazon, so you can purchase them on your own. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and leave them in the comments box, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. See ya.